All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today, what I have for everyone is my microphone test video testing out the microphones on the iDiskk E11A truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. I had to look over and check the box because that model number is hard to remember. I don't know, something about those series of letters. But today in this video, we're going to test the microphone performance of these headphones, and we're going to do so in two different scenarios. So the first scenario is going to be, as you guys and gals can hear right now, a simulated or as close to I can get it ideal noise-free environment. And then the second scenario is going to be a simulated crowdy or noisy environment. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So starting off right here, we're testing out the microphones on the iDiskk E11A truly wireless Bluetooth headphones in an ideal or as close to ideal noise-free environment as I can get it. So let me know how you guys feel the microphone performance is doing in this scenario. Let me know in the comments down below. All right. Now I have I have some simulated crowd noise pulled up on my TV in the background on my Roku that we're going to use to simulate a crowdy or noisy environment. So I'm going to push play. I'm going to let the crowd noise play for a little bit, and then I'm going to start talking at my natural volume at my normal cadence and give you guys an idea of how the microphones perform in a noisy or crowded environment. So here we go. Let me push play now. Okay, that's good. I'm just going to start talking now. So now I'm just talking at my natural volume at a normal cadence. And hopefully the microphones on these headphones are doing a good job of isolating my voice over the surrounding or ambient sounds. Again, I won't know until I watch the video back in post, but let me know what you guys and gals think down below in the comments. Okay, all feedback, as always, is greatly appreciated. Okay, that should do it. Let me pause the crowd noise now. There we go. And now we're back to an ideal noise-free environment. So that pretty much does it for today's microphone test of the iDiskk E11A truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now, real quickly before I get up out of here, I just want to let everyone know how I have this video set up. So recording this entire video here today, I am using the ultra wide cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. This video is also being recorded in 4K at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio hooked up. Okay, and I'm going to throw up some B-roll of how I set that up now. So as you guys and gals can see, I just went ahead and made sure that I connected the headphones to my device. Then I went ahead and jumped into the Samsung camera application. I switched over to video pro mode, and then I went ahead and switched the audio input over into Bluetooth audio. At that point, I went ahead and adjusted the volume on my TV. The TV volume was set to 18%. And then I went ahead and pushed record, spun the cameras around, and that is how I set up today's video. Just for everyone that would like to know how this video was set up. So that does it for this one, guys and gals. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I hope everyone found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.